Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Aaron with Aftercare Express Service, Landscaping and Maintenance. Basically, we're out of Houston, LaPorte, Pasadena. That's the area we serve majority of the time. I just want to talk about fall season, when leaves fall in, tree branches and everything else, and the service of it. Most customers, well, I had just finished this property right now. Let's see, that one over there, if we can see it. Let's see. All right. Based on that, is cleaning out the flower beds, trimming up the flower beds, pulling the weeds, cleaning up the leaves, dropping mulch, you name it, of a whole maintenance. Basically, being on a package, when you join with a package deal, at least you get most of the stuff before the fall season kicks in, or set yourself up for a lower cost rate because, excuse me, lower cost rate because it helps out down the line. If you're trying to do it all at one time, they're going to charge more. And that's the honest truth. If you just want a straight leaf cleanup, you know, you might be spending $200 to $300 and then still got to maintenance of the yard or do some landscaping and dropping mulch. So you're going to have add more. Your cost can be more. I'm just based on telling the customers or the individuals who's thinking about upgrading their home decor of outside, but based on all that crap. Just to save some money, you should try to get with landscape provider or whatever, and find out about their packages, what comes with their packages. Because I fertilized this property. I dropped topsoil on the grass that helps to grow during the spring season, so it can help out when the fall season comes, that you have more blossom of the grass. Based on all that, like this customer right here, she got the package, and she realized it's easier, it's a little cheaper cost instead of doing it all at once. Because once I had did the estimate for her, the quote, and she's seen how much the cost of each for manpower and leaves and all that. But she didn't really know too much, but this is how much we charge for that based on that part. But so she just took our package, we started at $3.99, and it depends on if we got to add mulch to it, you get charged with the cost of your mulch too. So based on that, her monthly package is $3.99, and she want to upgrade up on the mulch. It's only a one-time thing out of the season. I do it 3 times on the maintenance job. So once she joins the package, and then we get a set cost of that, I do it 3 times out of the season. I do it right at the beginning of spring. That's coming out of the winter. I set that up, and then I do it in the summer while it's dead heat because it's going to dry it out, and then I do it right in fall, like after October, basically, because I'm trying to shut down my lawn section to do from weekly to get them to switch over to bi-weekly. And that's how I work. You get 3 times with our package. Like that's the basic cost of it, of hers. It's $3.99 a month, and so on. So I can tell you our plus package. What else comes with it, and how many times I have to come and do it and everything, or me and my guy. Based on that, hey, that's why I expect people in the fall, you're going to spend more money trying to do a leaf cleanup. If you put it in a maintenance package, it's kind of saves you because weekly or bi-weekly, basically weekly is best when you got a maintenance package, because they can do it every week. Clean up here and there, small here and there, and still make your yard look good. Because not everybody bag the mulch or bag the grass and everything. Like me, I do not bag grass because it's not part of it. So that's how I look at it. Well, I'm Aaron, Aftercare Express Service, Landscaping and Maintenance. I hope I see you on the other side. You have a good one.